Okay, so these are two LED canvas, or otherwise anti-flicker. Well, these are when you buy aftermarket LED headlights, you know, the bulbs for your car. So in mine, for example, I went from halogen to LED, but the LEDs I got don't have the CAN-bus, you know, pre-installed. Just the LEDs and, you know, clip them in. These are the H11, but now I notice sometimes, especially when you accelerate or hit brakes, you can see a small tiny vibration, or almost like a small flicker on the headlights. And that's due to the CAN bus, because the car computer thinks that it's not powering enough on that light. Because of course LEDs don't get enough juice out of there, they're very light. And what this does now corrects that and makes the car's computer think that it's still running a halogen, so just leave the power alone. And I'm gonna go install them and see if they actually do what they claim to do. And I mean, they're pretty cool, so we'll go to the car and see them in the car, hopefully work. So just find wherever your low beams are in your car. In mine, they're hidden here under this little cap. If I can take it out. Boom, right there. So all you have to do is take out just the connector from your light bulb and plug this in on that side, and this other one goes to the light bulb itself. It's that easy. Let me see. Not sure if I can record here, because it's a very, very tight space. In my car, for example, they don't need any polarity because they're both sides the same. That's it. So you see, it's plugged on the headlight bulb thingy, if you can even see anything. Yep, right there is my other piece now. And that's it. It is installed, and I'm just gonna put it in there. And yeah, both sides are connected. And just put the cover, and whew, you're ready to go. It's not nighttime yet, so we'll have to try them when it gets nighttime. Zero vibration in our lights, or flickering, so-called. Yep. And this is on low beams, because that's the only one I put those anti-flickers on. Look at that. Literally zero flicker. So those things are working. Well, at least for me right now. I don't know if they're gonna work forever, but look at that. And you used to actually tell on camera there was a flicker before, but now there's none. And it was a very simple installation. Nothing really too big about it. Okay, I'm gonna go drive towards the camera, and there should be zero flicker. Now if you see those vibrations that, you know, the camera frames per second thingy creates, that's a different story, but I'm more worried about if the lights flicker. And let's see what happens.